YouTube, it's your girl Dana and welcome back to my channel. Y'all probably wondering what I'm about to do for you guys. I haven't posted in a minute, but you know that's regular for me. But I'm gonna start trying to post more, guys, because I really be determined, but I don't have no video ideas. And I don't be wanting people to think that I'm stealing their ideas, but like, I don't have no ideas. But today, guys, I saw this hairstyle that I like, and I was like, why not try it? Because I got my hair done and I just keep leaving it in 2 braids just to go to work, and I haven't done nothing with it. I have a wig on right now, but it's a full 360 wig, if that's what y'all call it. I don't know. It's my first time wearing a wig, and I have like the lace closure and everything, and I haven't done nothing with it, guys. I took a picture or a video or two when I first got it done, but it's just been in the braid and in the bonnet and the ponytail. So guys, today I'm going to try this hairstyle, and I don't know how to do hair, so we're going to see how this turns out. I really hope it turned out cute because I really like the hairstyle. So I have all my little products right here. I'm about to just experiment on my hair. I really hope I don't mess it up, but we're going to see. I'm pretty sure I got this. If I mess it up, guys, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna want to take this out for real. Like, no. But let's get into the video because I'll talk way too much. Oh, and guys, I won't be talking in this video like that because I have the music playing, and like I just don't want to be sitting in the camera just bored, like. So just watch, and I hope you guys enjoy it. guess what I just noticed? The hairstyle that I'm trying to get needs rubber bands, and I only have 2. Yo, I'm so irritated that I can't get a hairstyle I want. Since I'm so far into this video already, I might as well do something to my hair. So I'm still going to do the same style, but without rubber bands, and just see how it turns.
I can fly, so I can touch the sky. I believe I can fly, so I can touch the sky. Real love is like a charge and I'm a felony. First degree, you know me, this Cupid judge me. I love the shit, you like the Astro. I like the way you move, I love that body. So I can touch the sky.
Guys, so this is the finishing look. This is not really the hairstyle that I was going for. Well, matter of fact, it's not the hairstyle I was going for. I was trying to do this hairstyle, and I was almost there until I found out that I don't have rubber bands. So I just was like, why don't I straighten it? So I straightened my hair, guys. And like, it's the little basic look how it was the first time, you know, the little, well, it's really not no part. I wasn't going for a part, but yeah, so it's the side look. But this is a full lace wig, so if I wanted to, I could switch it to this side or to the middle to this side. But I really like it on the side because I never get a side part. But you see, it's nice and flowy. You know, I didn't add too much product to it. I didn't really straighten it. Like, the roots is probably still crinkly because I wasn't checking my time. You know, I don't have that much patience, and you know, I didn't feel like sitting here because I didn't really want to straighten it. So this is what I'm gonna go for tonight. My hair is done. No, period. That's on that. But guys, I hope you like this video. You know, I talk fast. Like, sometimes I don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, I hope you guys like this videos. I'm not a hairstylist, but when my hair needs to be done, I can do something to my hair. You get what I'm saying? But that's what any girl. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know, follow all my socials down below. And stay tuned for my next video. Bye.